To add Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website, you will need to start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager account and navigating to the Events Manager section. Here you can create a new pixel by clicking on the Add New Pixel button and following the prompts to set up your pixel. Once you have created your pixel, you will be given a pixel code that you will need to add to your website. To do this, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the website builder or dashboard for your site. If you are using the GoDaddy website builder, you can add the pixel code by clicking on the settings icon and then selecting SEO and then clicking on the header and footer section. Here you can paste the pixel code into the header section of your website. If you are using a different type of website on GoDaddy, you may need to use the HTML editor or FTP client to add the pixel code to your website. In this case, you will need to add the pixel code to the header section of your website, which is usually found in the HTML file. After adding the pixel code to your website, you will need to verify it by going back to the Facebook Events Manager and clicking on the Verify Pixel button. This will check that the pixel code has been added correctly to your website and is tracking events. It is also a good idea to test your pixel by using the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension, which can help you to identify any issues with your pixel setup. By following these steps, you can easily add the Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website and start tracking events and conversions. Remember to always follow best practices when setting up your pixel, such as adding the pixel code to all pages of your website and testing it regularly to ensure it is working correctly. By doing so, you can get the most out of your Facebook ads campaigns and improve your return on investment.